Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Fetch how to redeem points. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Redeeming points on Fetch is easy, so to do it what you need to do is head over and open up a Fetch app, or just simply open up your browser and on the search bar type in fetch.com. Now once logged into your account, here tap on the three horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll find an option that says rewards. Tap on that. Now browse available gift cards or search for a specific retailer that you want, then select the gift card you want, which is minimum redemption starts at 3000 points, that is $3. Then tap on get this reward and confirm your selection. Once done, you'll receive the digital gift card code instantly in the app under the rewards section. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.